How to change mouse sensitivity on Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Then select Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices on your left sidebar and click on Mouse. Now go to Mouse Pointer Speed section and move the slider to change the sensitivity level. By shifting it to the left, the cursor slows down, and to the right makes it faster. If you prefer a more traditional approach to changing the sensitivity of your mouse, you can use the control panel in Windows 11. Go to Start, search Control Panel. Click on it. Click on Mouse. Go to Pointer Options tab. Adjust the motion slider to change the mouse sensitivity. Click Apply and then OK to confirm your changes. And that's how you can change mouse sensitivity on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.